If you were wanting to know how to swap out the maintenance box on your Epson EcoTank 3950, then stay tuned, you won't want to miss this video. Hey, what is going on? The printer guy here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change out your maintenance box on your Epson EcoTank 3950. Now, whether you're doing preventative maintenance or you're swapping out a maintenance box that is totally full, you will likely get a message on your screen indicating that you need to swap out your maintenance box. But if you would like to go in there and do it on your own, you can go into the settings and check out the remaining capacity of your maintenance box. Either way, this is how you replace the maintenance box on the Epson EcoTank 3950. Now, at the back left corner of the printer, there is a compartment that can be very easily accessed by sliding a panel off, and then you can slide the maintenance box out. Again, no screws to deal with. I believe you can add a screw if you'd like to, but you really don't have to. Now, this is the best printer's maintenance box that is compatible with this printer. It's going to be an affordable option, and it's a product that we stand behind. Now, in that package, you will have a bag to place in your old maintenance box so that you can discard it. And so now we will be sliding in our new maintenance box. It's going to be completely sealed. We can remove that plastic off of it. As you see, we have a fresh maintenance box with a fresh chip, and that is going to allow us to continue to print and have a new maintenance box installed so that all that old gunked up ink is able to be discarded within the maintenance box. In about 6 months to a year, you can check this out to do some preventative maintenance. But of course, as I said, if it's completely full, you will get a message indicating on your screen, on your display, that this needs to be swapped out. So link down in the description below for the maintenance box. Hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time. Thank you so much for watching until the end of this video. I handpicked 2 videos that are here on the screen for you to watch next. Also consider subscribing to this channel. There's so much helpful content for you if you're a printer owner, and it's just good to have a resource like this for you in the future, whether you're dealing with a printer that's not printing well or you need more printer recommendations. So I look forward to seeing you again in another video.